Maintaining a healthy environment in daycare centers is crucial for the well-being of active children. The Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is a cutting-edge solution designed to monitor carbon dioxide (CO2) levels, ensuring that the air is clean and conducive to the health and development of young children. This smart monitor utilizes advanced sensors to vigilantly track CO2 levels, as well as other pollutants that can impact the health of children. By keeping a constant check on these elements, it helps create an atmosphere that is safe and optimal for learning and play. One of the key features of the Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is its real-time alert system. When it detects CO2 levels that exceed recommended safety levels, it promptly notifies daycare staff. This immediate notification capability allows for swift action to improve ventilation or address other factors contributing to high CO2 levels, thereby ensuring that the air remains fresh and safe for the children. The Wi-Fi connectivity of the monitor enables easy monitoring and management of air quality from any location within the daycare center. Through a user-friendly app, staff can access real-time data, receive alerts, and take necessary actions to maintain an environment that supports the health and activity of the children in their care. For daycare centers dedicated to providing a safe and nurturing space for children, the Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is an essential tool. It not only monitors CO2 levels but also plays a vital role in ensuring that the air quality contributes to the overall well-being and development of active children. To learn more about how the Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor can enhance the air quality in your daycare center, please reach out to me through the email on my page. I will be happy to provide additional information and will respond to your inquiry within 24 hours.